everyone, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a product that I use to clean my handles and my knobs on old pieces of furniture that I restore. It's a product called Brasso. You may have heard of it. I probably call it Badasso. Is that okay to say that? Because this stuff is so badass. I love it. It's so easy to use. It's very cheap. It's only like $4 for this bottle, and it goes a long way. And I use it to clean up and polish handles and knobs. Now, sometimes you can't clean up handles and knobs for whatever reason the metal may be, or they're just far beyond repair, and that's okay. That's usually when I will go buy new knobs to dress up a piece of furniture. But if I can salvage beautiful, old, intricate knobs and handles, I'll do it, and I'll use this product to salvage them. So let me show you on this antique vanity. I'm on the home stretch now on this gorgeous piece. Look at this top, you guys. This is after 3 coats of the General Finishes Java Stain Gel. Doesn't that look awesome? So last night I spent a lot of time polishing up the 4 knobs and 2 little handles that I have on this piece, and I want to give you guys close-ups of how well I was able to clean up these pieces. Now, you don't know what they look like beforehand, but I'm going to do a little Vanna White here. I'm going to show you right here, boom, and boom. I'm going to put up some pictures of what they look like beforehand, and here's what they look like afterwards. Aren't those gorgeous? I love these. So of course, I couldn't throw these out. I had to try and save these. So those are the 2 handles that'll go on that center drawer there. And then there was 4 knobs, circular knobs with these really pretty flower designs. And again, I'm going to do a little Vanna White. This is what they look like beforehand. And here's what they look like afterwards. So I still have 2 pieces left that I need to polish up, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that. And they are the handles that hold the mirror in place on the back. This is the frame to the mirror. I've already painted and glazed this large piece that sits on top, the back of the vanity, and the mirror will set right in there. And how we secure it is there's some fasteners on the back that fasten to the back side of the vanity, but there's also these 2 handles, and you can see they are grimy and gross. Blech, yuck. Hey, that's kind of cool. Hello. I am such a nerd. Anyhow, I'm gonna go scrub these clean. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use Brasso, Badasso. And it'll just take a couple minutes, and you're gonna see how easy it is to use this product. So come with me to the kitchen. Okay everyone, we are in my kitchen, and I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to clean dirty, old, nasty hardware from antique and vintage furniture. So you're going to need your Brasso product, you're going to need your hardware, you're going to need an old toothbrush, and you're going to need some gloves. And like I've told you before, I always wear my gloves many times. So here we go, we're gonna put this on. And I also use a glass container to soak the Brasso all over that old hardware. So it is relatively easy to do. You might have to do a couple applications of the Brasso. It comes out kind of looking like toothpaste. So I just put it on my old toothbrush there, take the hardware, and what I'm doing is I'm layering a whole bunch of that Brasso right on that hardware. Just really layer it up well, and you are gonna let it soak on there. Now, the first time you let it soak, I would say give it like a good 5-10 minutes to soak, and I'm gonna show you how you'll know you're ready to start scrubbing it clean. After it soaks for about 5 to 10 minutes, you're gonna notice your hardware is gonna get like a green to bluish hue to it. That's when you're gonna know that stuff is lifting off the hardware. So like I said, I'm just layering it really thick here. See how thick I'm layering it. and I'm just gonna set it in there. I'm gonna put my toothbrush down and I'm gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what to look for when you know you're ready to start scrubbing this clean. All right, let's take a break. Okay, I am back, you guys. I let those handles sit for like 5 to 10 minutes and I've noticed they're starting to get that bluish green hue to them. I can tell that gunk is starting to lift off after I've let them soak in that Brasso. So now I'm just taking my old toothbrush and I am scrubbing away. So you do have to use a little bit of elbow grease with this. Those handles and knobs that I did last night, I let them soak 3 different times in the Brasso. So sometimes you have to do that to really get them to the look that you need to get them at. And I sometimes just lay them down in my sink and I just scrub, scrub, scrub. This does take, and I'm already can tell it's lifting off. And I hope you guys can see that right there. You can already see that beautiful color coming through. So I'm going to continue scrubbing these. And I just wanted to show you guys just how easy it is to clean your hardware. It does take some elbow grease, but it's well worth the results. And I'm going to keep scrubbing, and I will show you guys what these look like when I'm done with them. Stay tuned. Hi guys, it's Bethany and my little buddy Biscuit. Say hi. Biscuit is our rescue Chihuahua from Texas. We got him about 1.5 years ago. He's only 4 pounds. He's my little love bug. He's always with me here in the workshop, or he's riding around with me in my truck. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys those handles that I just cleaned with Brasso. I want to show you how clean and polished up I got them. Look at that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you can see how easy it is to clean antique hardware and knobs. Just put a little Brasso on it, a lot of elbow grease, and you can get these clean. It just takes a little bit of time and a couple applications and they look brand new. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it, ask me questions, leave me some comments. Was it informative for you? Like and subscribe to my channel, which is, I always forget, it's over this way. It's over to the left. Right, Biscuit? It's over that way. So subscribe to my channel and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again.